So hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I wanted to share my personal experience using the Cerave Essay Renewing Cleanser, okay? And in this video I'm just going to give you facts. The information I'm going to give you is based on my experience using this particular Cerave cleanser. And so I want to start off by saying Cerave is such a great brand. I'm not saying this just to say it, but I'm speaking facts based on my personal experience. Now, the first product that I tried from the Cerave brand was the body wash, and it was for rough and bumpy skin. And what caused me to actually want to try it was that I saw a lot of great reviews, and I really liked that it had salicylic acid. And because I'm oily skin, I've noticed over the years that salicylic acid products work really well with my oily skin. So if you're an oily person, you have oily skin, I always would suggest you try out products that have salicylic acid. And so when I first tried the body wash for rough skin, that had salicylic acid. And that was the first time I tried that. And that was about 2 years ago. And so that was basically the first time I had ever tried Cerave products. Now, I know presently Cerave products are trending online. I am not a type of person that hops on the bandwagon and tries things out just because everyone's doing it. Okay, so when I first started using their body wash, I didn't even know that it was a trending product, okay? And I was so amazed by how well their body wash for rough and bumpy skin worked. And so if you haven't seen that video, I suggest you check out that video. I did that a few months back. And so, in that video, you'll see how my skin looks. I'm not wearing any makeup in that video. And also today, I try to always in my skin videos, I always try not to wear makeup in my videos because I feel as if it's more authentic. Like you show how your skin looks, basically, so that people could see how the product really works, okay? And so in this video today, I'm not wearing any makeup, but yeah, guys, I just want to tell you guys about the Cerave Essay Renewing Cleanser. Now, the Essay stands for salicylic acid. And like I said, if you have oily skin, I suggest you check out this product. I also noticed that this Cerave cleanser also works for other skin types, okay? And so it doesn't hurt to try this product out. The Cerave brand is trending, and I have to say it's trending for a reason because the products from the Cerave brand actually work. Like I've tried so far 5 products from this company and I love it. I don't have anything negative to say. All I have to say is that these products work. I like the fact that the Cerave Renewing Cleanser, it actually makes sure my my pores are clean. I like the fact that it gets rid of excess oil because it has the salicylic acid. And even though it is salicylic acid, it doesn't irritate my skin. So I feel as if this product is basically a gentle exfoliant, okay? And so it doesn't over dry my skin. My skin feels really nice and clean after using this product. Not only does this product have salicylic acid, but this product also have ceramides, which helps to protect the skin barrier. And so in the back of it, it says this product was basically developed with dermatologists. Its unique formula with 3 essential ceramides exfoliate to remove dirt and oil while softening and smoothing the skin. And as you can see, I really like how my skin looks. My skin always feels clean when I'm using this product. And another thing you would want to know about this product is that it is fragrance free. What I realize is with a lot of skin products, the issues with skin products is that some of them have a lot of them, I should say, have fragrances in it, and those fragrances can actually cause irritation. And so I like the fact that this brand has no fragrance and it doesn't clog the pores. Fragrances can cause a lot of flare up. You know, it's an exfoliant, like I said, but it gently exfoliates. It has vitamin D, which helps to provide antioxidant benefits. So the directions read, just wet the skin with lukewarm water, massage cleanser into the skin in a gentle circular motion. Rinse, avoid contact with eyes. Okay, you really want to do that because it has an active ingredient, which is the salicylic acid. And then, you just rinse it off with water. Make sure you thoroughly rinse your face. Okay, now I want to show you how it looks. It's like in gel form. I'm going to put some on my hand so you could see it. And so that's how it looks. It's like a clear gel. Okay. And so I just, wet my face and just do circular motions on my skin. But honestly, like, if you're considering trying the Cerave brand, I suggest you try it. I've tried this. I've tried this. This is like an acne control gel, and I've been using it down here and it works. And then I've tried their soaps. Their soaps are excellent. I have to do a video about the soaps too. So honestly, this company is just different from other skin companies. And I feel like they did an excellent job creating this particular product for skin. And so if you're interested in this product, I will leave all the information down in the description box. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next review. Bye.